Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 492 minimum capacity box. So in this problem you are given an integer array capacity where capacity of I represents the capacity of the ith box and an integer item size representing the size of an item. The ith box can store the item if the capacity of I value is greater than equal to item size, and we have to return an integer denoting the index of the box with the minimum capacity that can store the item. If multiple such boxes exist, then in that case we have to return the smallest index, and if no box can store the item, then in that case we have to return -1. So very easy problem statement. And here if you see the constant size, so it is very small. Capacity dot length is just from 1 to 100, and capacity of I values is also from 1 to 100, and item size is also from 1 to 100 only. So here how we are going to solve this problem. So let's see this example number 1. So this is index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3. So first, item size should be 3 or more than 3, then only a box can handle that particular item. So here initially my I is here, so my box can't handle this. So let's move to next position. So here the capacity of I value is 5, so my box can handle this. So here this is the current capacity that I have, right? So 5 is what I'm storing, and this 5 is at 1 index. Great. Then after that I move here. So now here we have another box which can handle this item size, and I see this value 3 is smaller than this 5. So I will remove it and I will keep the 3 now, and 3 is at 2 index. Next time I see this 7, so here also I can store the item, but since 7 is greater than 3, so I'm not going to change it. So in the end, here this is what I will return, the index where I'm going to store this item. So this is the minimum capacity. So output is 2. The box at index 2 has a capacity of 3, which is the minimum capacity that can store the item. Thus the answer is 2. That's it. So we have to just iterate over all the elements. So here 0, 1, 2, 3. So item size 2, so items size 2 can fit in this box of capacity 3. So 3 is at 0 index. Then in this also the item is going to get fit, but this 5 is greater than this 3, so I'm not going to use it. 4, in this box also this item can fit, but 4 is greater than 3, I'm not going to update it. In this box also the item can fit, but since I already have 3 at 0 index, so I'm not going to use this 3 now. So that's it. So this is output 0. The minimum capacity that can store the item is 3, and it appears at indices 0 and 3. Thus the answer is 0. That's it. Here item size is 4, and this capacity of I value is 4. So in this box it can't fit, right? So that's it. So in this case we have to return -1. No box has enough capacity to store the item, so the answer is -1. So I hope that you guys are clear what we need to do. Now I'm moving to code part. If you want, you can try by yourself first, right? So here, see, this is the code. So mean index I'm taking -1, and mean capacity I'm taking max value, and then after that I'm just iterating over all the elements in my capacity array, and I'm checking if the capacity of I value, it should be greater than equal to item size, only then it can fit in that particular box the item. And also the capacity of I value, it should be smaller than the min cap. Min cap initially is max value, integer dot max value. So here, if this is the case, then I am operating my main capacity to capacity of I and main index to I. That's it. So here I am making sure that item is going to get fit into the box, and here I'm making sure that the current capacity of the box that I'm taking, it should be less than the main capacity that I've seen so far. That's what I'm validating here. And in the end, we have to just return main index. So this is your code. The time complexity is going to be O of n only. So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest 492. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing with you guys next video. Thank you. Bye bye.